What are trading pairs in cryptocurrency? Hi, I'm Sonia, and today we are looking at trading pairs or cryptocurrency pairs. Trading pairs are assets that can be traded among themselves on exchanges. There are two main reasons why investors understand trading pairs. Some cryptocurrencies can only be bought with other cryptocurrencies, so understanding cryptocurrency pairs is necessary to expand your crypto holdings beyond the most common coins. And knowledge of cryptocurrency trading pairs allows smart crypto investors to take advantage of arbitrage opportunities, that is, to profit from differences in asset prices between markets. Cryptocurrency pairs allow you to compare the cost of different cryptocurrencies. These pairs help illustrate the relative value of a particular crypto asset, such as the value of Bitcoin to Ethereum. For example, if you own Bitcoin, you can trade any exchange-listed pair, including Bitcoin. What is a base currency and why is it important? A base currency is a way of expressing the agreed value of different assets. A base currency is a common tool for comparing fiat currency exchange rates across countries. Americans traveling to Italy will want to exchange their US dollars for the Italian currency, euros. In this case, the base currency is the US dollar. The same principle applies to crypto assets. In most cases, the most popular cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, are used as the base currency. In addition, many exchanges offer stable coin trading pairs. These stable coins are usually pegged to fiat currencies, such as the US dollar or the euro.